A 10-minute morning yoga routine can revitalize your energy levels, setting the tone for a productive day ahead. Start by finding a quiet space, perhaps near a window, to welcome natural light. Begin with deep breathing exercises to calm your mind and oxygenate your body. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs. And exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing tension. Transition into gentle stretches to awaken your muscles. Start with neck rolls, moving clockwise and then counterclockwise to release tension. Move on to shoulder rolls, reaching your arms up and gently rotating your shoulders backwards and forwards. Stretch your arms overhead, interlacing your fingers and reaching towards the sky. Continue with a standing forward fold, slowly bending at the waist, reaching your hands towards your toes. Feel a gentle stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Next, move into a modified warrior pose, stepping back with your right foot, bending your left knee, and raising your arms above your head. Switch sides and repeat. Finish your routine with a brief meditation, focusing on gratitude and positive energy. Set intentions for the day, visualizing success and abundance. When you're ready, slowly transition out of your meditation, bringing your attention back to your surroundings. Remember, consistency is key. Practicing this energizing routine each morning can help boost your mood, increase flexibility, and provide mental clarity for the day ahead. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.